the crafting nook, the crafting nook, the crafting nook, the crafting nook, the crafting nook. Hello, hello to all my wonderful crafty creators. How are y'all doing today? I know y'all see this mold here. Can you tell? Look at it. I gotta lift it up so you can see. You see all the reflections? Yes. It was a gift, okay? This mold is from Molds and Shapes. I will leave the information below, okay? So what I have here, I know that you're supposed to use black so that this reflection will look really nice, you know, piercing back through. And oh my gracious, did I introduce myself? I'm Felicia with the Crafting Nook. If you're new here, welcome, welcome. I am glad you stopped by. So, okay, what I'm doing here is I'm just running a test just to see. I'm gonna do one coaster in a clear, okay? And it's not gonna be a full coaster. I'm just let you know that now. It's not gonna be a full coaster. Then I have May Spring Opulent Tanzanite. All right, and I also have May Spring White Pearl, and I have May Spring Silver Druzy. So that is what I'll be using. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with this one. I'll pour some clear. Okay, just pour some clear in there. And make sure that it goes all the way out to the edge. I missed y'all. I hope everybody is doing well. Okay. I'm doing okay. I will not complain. Generally, it doesn't do us any good to complain anyway. Okay. We're going to start out by not complaining. We're just going to, you know, see what it does. So I have 2 other cups here. I'm just going to try to divide this a little bit for the third coaster. Okay, that's what I'm gonna do there. And I have, just as I said, my Opulent Tanzanite. Now I missed and bumped my little spoon here, my wooden popsicle stick. Okay, so I'm putting in, oh my, there's a something. There's a something in here. It looks like a stink bug. I don't know. Anyway, moving on. So we're gonna mix this. I'm using Paduo resin, okay? So we're gonna mix this really good. Oh, I can't stir over my molds. Isn't that something? Okay. Just make sure that we have the mica blended in well. All right. And it appears to be. So this one will be the Opulent Tanzanite. All right. So I'm gonna finish pouring that in. And once we pour that in, we're just gonna let the bubbles start to rise on their own. I'm gonna spread this in the corner, this in the corner. Give me 1 second, y'all. Let's go here. Like I said, I'm gonna let those bubbles rise up. I had to put you on hold for a minute. Get my tape. I had to take my gloves off, but it seems I can't lift it. Oh my. Oh my. There, I think I got it lifted there. That's what I did, just a little bit of tape. And I'll put my glove back on. And we'll go ahead with the Silver Druzy. We'll add the Silver Druzy in. Okay, let's close this back up. And just as I said, I'm letting my bubbles rise. Try to use as less heat as possible. Okay. It would be nice if this showed up with this silver, wouldn't it? I think so. Okay. Little action going on here. All right. And I'm just gonna put this silver druzy in this one. Just pour it on in. That was almost full. Wow. Yeah, that was almost filled up. and I was saying I'm just doing a little bit. Honey, I did more than a little bit. So we are gonna see what is this gonna be like. Okay. Let's put that over to the side. And my last color is the pearl white. White pearl. I'm sorry. Okay. Just add it in. And I can use this stick because I already have it here. So I think those three colors are so beautiful. They're beautiful together by themselves. It's just really pretty. Okay. And someone may have already done this. I have no clue. But I really wanted to see for myself and know for myself if it actually, you could actually see these colors onto the mold. So we're gonna pour that in. Okay. Just gonna scrape all of it out. Almost. Almost. There. Okay. So now, like I said, I'm letting the bubbles rise. Okay. I'm letting them rise up to the top so that it will be less heat usage. Okay. And we can get rid of all of this. Just a little spray there. Just to get that up. All right. So, okay. Those bubbles are up pretty good. I can't tell if these are up or not. These are rising, so are these. But I'm going to go ahead and get my heat gun. Okay. I'm going to shake my heat gun just in case I have any bits of fluff. Start with this one. Okay. Into this one. Just making sure. Into this one. This one was the fullest. I don't know why I had it like that, but I did. Okay. So now that I've done that, I'm just gonna let it do whatever it's gonna do. Let me get a skewer. Let's see, a piece of lint there. Okay. I don't see anything else that is in it. This one, I see a little fluff here. I think I got it. And so what we're gonna do is just come back and I'll be able to demold and we'll be able to figure out whether it's gonna work this way or it's not gonna work this way, okay? So I'll be back. Okay, crafty creators, we're back. So we're gonna start with the clear. Oh, I already see it in the clear. Oh, watch out there now. Oh, okay. Am I mad? Nah, this is beautiful. Yes, do you see all of that? Oh, wow. This is amazing. This is amazing. Can you see that shining in a window? Y'all don't pay attention to my nails, okay? Had an incident and I just bit all of them off, okay? But look at this. Oh, isn't that beautiful? He's dancing. Hey, he's dancing. That is beautiful. My gracious. Just gonna sit that over to the side. And when I turn it upside down, you could still see all the prettiness. Yes. And look at Paduo come through. Paduo, no bubble in sight. Okay. So put that to the side. And then I went to the Opulent Tanzanite. Now I don't know how this will be. I really don't. Okay. That's my fingerprints, y'all. I ain't mad at it. Look. Y'all, I thought it was just gonna work on the the clear and like maybe black, but come through. Yes, it's amazing. It did it. My fingerprints, y'all. Oh, it's just so terrible. Let me see. Wipe the fingerprint off. Wipe the fingerprints off. Just gonna wipe the whole thing. Now I did make it a little dull. Okay, but moral of the story is it does work on other colors, okay? All right, this is the Opulent Tanzanite. All right, look, it's there, it's there, it's there. Hey. I'm gonna stop it. Then the next one I done was, let me get this out. It's a little, was the silver druzy. Okay. So we're gonna see about this silver druzy. All right. I'm not peeking. Ah. It's there, friends. It's there. Look. It's amazing. It's amazing. Look at it. Oh. Oh. Yes, friends. Yes. Beautiful. Okay. And now I'm going with the white pearl. Okay. It's going to be interesting. Okay. I see it on the white pearl as well. I see it. It's a little cool in here. So it's got like frost. Not frost, but oh gosh, what do you call it? Anyway, look at it. It's there. It's there, friends. It is there. It is there. Now it don't show as much. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Hey. Whoa. Look. Whoa. Isn't it amazing? Ah. Ah. Look at it. Y'all, it works. All colors. Okay? So that was the test that I wanted to do. I wanted to see, would it actually work on all the colors, you know, because I've been told, well, that I've watched many shows, and it had only the like clear or black. So I wasn't sure whether it would, you know, make it to other colors, but it did. So let me take you down. Let me take you down. Y'all see all those colors? Look at that. Now it really shows up a lot on that navy blue, but depending on where I'm standing, it shows up everywhere. Everywhere, okay? It's nice. Oh wow, look at that. It shows up. It's beautiful. I love it. Look. I love it. So everything shows up nice, okay? Don't worry. Try your color. This was an experiment. I wanted to see how well would it show on other colors. And honey, it came through. Okay? It came through. All right? So this concludes this video, y'all. I really do like it. Look at May Spring with all of their effects. That's May Spring, baby. Yes, May Spring. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, this is supposed to be the end of the video, and I keep playing around. Why am I playing around so much? Look at that, honey. Just look at that. Slow motion. Slow motion. Oh. 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 Look. Ah. It's great. Look. Go over here a little bit. Well, maybe a couple of gray. Ah, nice. And y'all, they're so thin. Look, it's bending as I, you know, put it in my hand. But, you know, like I said, this was an experiment, honey, and it did work. Okay? So, I hope all of you have a wonderful day. A wonderful end of your year. Okay? Because we're coming in with 2022 with a bang, okay? So say something nice, say something positive, be kind to one another, and let's start 2022 with all positive vibes, okay? Know that you can do anything. See you later. Bye.